Salamat ta nag-iwani suportaran na mga anak.
After hearing such a lovely tune in a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to laughter. You bring joy to every room. Oh, the voices vanish after.
Hello ma, hello pa. Wow, 31 years of being together. Tigupang najutuod. All these years, through good and bad, you supported each other. I am very thankful na kamo ang gihatag sa ako ani Lord. Proud kay ko. Thank you to all the things that you have done to me. Not just to me, but to our family. And I wish God's blessings of health and long life be with you forevermore. Stay happy always. Happy anniversary. Unya. PS. Ayaw sa lang pangitag apo kay dili ng makahatag ana. I love you very much. I'm the reason you're still together. Love you.
Hearing such a lovely tune in a world that's so imperfect, every word you say is music. You should change your name to beautiful. You should change your name to blues. Make tears impossible. Wish that I could have you with me every time I fall. In a world that's so imperfect, I know you will try to fix it. You should change your name to beautiful. I don't think you'd mind it if I change your name to something new. Would you think it childish if I change my name to
Salamat ta nag-iwani suportaran na mga anak.
Ate Loe.
Salamat po sa mga tawa nga tapat kayo sa ko.
Forever na.
Ayak kong giasiman sa tulang pagkakas.
Excited kay ko ani nga nahitabo ko. I was surprised good niya. Sa ang anak ni si Loe. Daghang salamat na. Nga nahinumtukan pa minimo. Sa akong mga anak, mga pag-umangkon. Sa akong bana, nga buutan sa anunan. Daghang salamat. Ug ninyong tanan, daghang salamat ug mga hinaot nga forever.